In this lecture, we're gonna show how to use a linear sketch pattern. So let's go to the sketch and let's create a sketch on the top plane. Now let's create a circle. Let's go to the circle and let's create a circle here. And let's put some dimension. Let's go with 50 millimeters for the diameter. And now, for example, we want to create 5 more circles here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. So in this case, we would have to go here to the circle and let's create another circle here, here, and so on. The easiest way is to use a linear sketch pattern. So let's go to the linear sketch pattern here. And here at the first step is automatically selected x-axis for the direction 1. Here we have a spacing between our instances, and here we have a number of instances. And here we have an angle. So let's go down here to this step, and here we have entities to pattern. Let's click here. And now let's choose this circle. And now here we can see one instance. Let's increase the number of instances here. Let's go to 5, like this. Now here we can increase the spacing between. Now we have 10 millimeters. Let's increase it, like this. And now here we have 5 circles. Let's click OK. So here we created 5 circles, identical circles, by using only one circle. Now let's go to linear sketch pattern again. Now let's, for the entities to pattern, let's choose this circle again. Now here we can change the direction. Let's go to this direction. Let's increase the spacing, like this, to 80 millimeters. And let's increase the number of instances, like this. Let's go to 5. Here we can change the angle. So now if we're increasing the angle, we can see the changes. As well, we can go to other direction, like this. Let's go to 170 degrees. As well, we can go to other direction, y axis. So let's here increase the number of instances. And now here we can see the circles in the y direction. Let's increase the spacing here, like this. And now we got this result. We can also change the angle here, as you see, like this. Let's go down here, and here we have instances to skip. Let's click here. Let's select this box, and now let's choose this instance, and this instance, and this instance that we don't want on our sketch. Now let's click OK. And now we got this result. So instead of creating here, I don't know, 15 circles, you can create only one circle, and by using linear sketch pattern, you can get this result. In this lecture, we're going to show how to use a circular sketch pattern. So let's go to the sketch tab, and let's create a new sketch on the top plane, like this. Let's go to the circle, and let's create a new circle here, like this. Let's go with dimension. And let's make the radius, actually the diameter, 300 millimeters. Let's click OK. Now let's click on the circle, and let's make this circle for construction, like this. Now let's go here to another circle, and let's create a new circle here, at this point, like this. And let's put some dimension. Let's go with 20 millimeters. Like this. And now, for example, we want to create 20 instances of this circle around this sketch. So for that, we can use circular sketch pattern. So let's go here, let's click on this arrow, and let's choose circular sketch pattern. So first here, we have to choose our center point around which we want to create instances. Let's choose this point, like this. Now here, entities to pattern. Which entities do we want to pattern? This circle. And now we can see the preview. So we have 4 instances. We can increase this to 20 as we want, like this. And this is our preview. Here we can position the center. Now you can see the changes. X-axis and Y-axis, like this. Here we have a radius, 150 millimeters. And here we have an angle of the arc, 270 degrees. Now let's go to instances to skip. Let's click here, And now let's choose, we want to skip this one, and this one. And let's click OK. And this is the result that we got. So this is also the helpful tool that can save you a lot of time. So instead of creating 20 circles here, you can only create one circle, and by using circular sketch pattern, you can get one circle in a second. And now, for example, if we want to change the radius of all circles, we can just double click here on this main circle. Let's put here 30 millimeters. And now the diameters of all circles are changed automatically.